Welcome to the installation, commissioning and operation guide of the TNS1 automatic AC voltage regulator. Before starting, disconnect the power supply and wear insulating gloves and protective glasses. The necessary tools include ratchet wrench, electric screwdriver, wires of appropriate specifications, wire noses. Before starting the wiring procedure, open the back panel of the voltage regulator and find the wiring port. First, use wire strippers to strip 11 to 13 mm of the copper wire, making sure the exposed copper wire is of moderate length. Next, use wire crimping pliers to crimp the wire nose to the end of the copper wire to ensure the reliability of the connection. Connect the three-phase power supply phase line input and output terminals, L1, L2, L3, N and A, B, C, 0 terminals. The grounding terminal must be grounded to ensure safety. It is strictly prohibited to use the grounding wire to replace the neutral wire, otherwise the machine may get energized or fail to work normally. Finally, use an electric screwdriver to tighten the wires. The wiring task is complete when you complete these steps. Turn on the circuit breaker on the back of this regulator. After powering on, wait for 3 to 10 seconds until the output voltage meter shows 380 volts. The three-phase current is 0 when no load is connected, and the real-time current is displayed when the load is connected. When the input voltage exceeds the rated upper limit of the regulator, the overvoltage light will turn on. When the input voltage is lower than the rated lower limit of the regulator, the undervoltage light will turn on. The indication transformer button can be switched to view the voltage between UAB and UBC. If you encounter any issues, please refer to the troubleshooting guide. We provide diagnostic methods and solutions for common faults. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.